Just watch with me.
Hello, and welcome to Watch With Me. I'm Watchman Lee. Today we got another police video. This one is nurse gets herself banned from the hospital. So, don't know what's happening there. Looks like I don't know if it's the lady over here with the messed up hair or the one back there with her hands up. But we're going to jump into it. Before we get into it, let's like, comment, subscribe. Let's build this channel up. Keep on going. Send in anything you want me to watch, and we'll keep on reacting. All right, let's get into it.
See two cases of Karens getting physical after refusing to leave the hospital.
Hey, Angela.
Yeah?
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing. I'm getting my hair untangled.
You're getting your hair untangled? Okay. What brings you to the
Do you
hospital?
want to help me? You know where I was.
I know.
Walters.
I know.
I know.
I'm not sure why
Yeah.
you're here, though. What's going on?
Why don't you ask that nice cop?
Officer Kaiser?
He told you to go away. He said they had it.
I know, and then I left.
So go get a report.
Okay, well, there wasn't a report done because they just helped you out.
Now, you know she looks like she's having a bad day. So, cop trying to work with her, but she ain't having it.
We'll go talk to him. That's
Okay, well, he's on a different call right now. Oh, I see what it came
Well, I
up.
guess you'll have to wait.
Well, why are you here? You're asking for some help? Okay, so you want them to treat your thumb?
Yeah,
Is that
and then I
correct?
had to untangle my hair. I thought,
Okay. Are you...
nurse to nurse, you would look at me and go, can we look at your hair? If we do an assessment.
Well, it sounded like that they were trying to help treat you, and you weren't letting them.
She has a laceration to her finger, so she wants that looked at. After she pulled the rooms because they weren't clean enough. And just very disrespectful. She got in my face, and you either want help or you don't. She's very rude.
So you want her removed then? Or?
We'll take a peek, see at the room they wanted to put me in first, and then you can.
Okay, well, you're in
follow
a
up
different
from there.
room now, so why aren't
Yeah.
you letting them?
From what they're saying, she's just nasty. I mean, being rude. She said the room was nasty, and she's being rude, and they act like they just don't want to serve her. But this is a hospital, so that doesn't make sense. Sounds like they calling police for no reason.
It's
Treat you.
pretty ishy. I don't know, maybe they picked that up pretty.
Okay, so here's the thing, Angela.
No,
Nope, what?
you don't have your hospital rooms looking like this.
I don't
This
have
is
what?
very non-sterile, dirty wheels. It's gross.
Okay.
I am a different type of nurse.
Okay. Well, that's fine. But if you're not wanting to allow them to treat you, or the services
let
that they're
them treat
providing,
me.
it sounded like you weren't.
The information you received was that I was refusing treatment.
Yes.
Go look at the paperwork. I signed it when I came in.
That's completely irrelevant. So here's the thing,
No, I
Angela.
didn't
If
say
you
it,
want,
but
if you
I'm
are,
letting them treat me.
Okay.
I never said they couldn't.
if you're going to let them treat you, they will treat you. If you are not, then you have to leave.
I'm letting them treat me. They lied to you.
Okay, so why
I
aren't
like
they?
that.
So why
We're
aren't they
doing
treating?
investigation.
So why aren't they treating you right now?
Don't know. They don't like my
Okay,
attitude
what would you like-
because I am assertive and I'm a nurse and I deserve respect too. But they thought I was a little.
I agree.
piece
You
of
deserve respect.
like some of the low class people, and some of those low class people are my friends, and I have taken care of them, and they've come from down here and worked their way up. So now I see why they tell me what they tell me about ERs and certain cops. You know, as a patient talking to a nurse, I can be assertive and say whatever the. And she told me at room 10 that I should just get. But anyway, I was very assertive.
Do you want
about it,
treatment or not,
and
Angela?
I went up to the waiting room and waited.
Do
patiently
you
with my
want
dog.
treatment?
Yes.
Okay.
I never said I did
For
not.
your-
So
for
quit
your-
asking
for
me
your
the same
thumb,
question
correct?
over and over.
For your thumb, correct?
Yeah, well, my hair, I want my scalp looked at, whether they like it or not, it's gonna get done.
Well, that's fine.
This
I'll
is
let them
the
know that.
ER.
You're absolutely
They're
right.
supposed to do everything, trauma and above and beyond.
Okay, that's fine. I
But
will let
anyway,
them
yeah,
know you're
so
willing to let them
They
treat
just
you.
weren't letting me.
But we're
they
going to
weren't
stay.
helping me
But
with
we're
my
going to
hair. I
stay
even
here.
asked. They won't let me wash it. They won't, whatever.
Okay.
Stupid. I don't want them to wash it. I'll do it, but come on, it's sick.
Okay. She says she is willing to let someone treat her for her thumb.
Your scalp? What happened to your scalp? Go ahead, Daisy.
Check my hair out once. Smell it. We'll quit it. I don't know what happened, okay?
Look at your finger.
I don't even know if I was drugged.
I'm looking
Where are
at
your
your
assessment
finger.
skills? This is sick.
I'm looking at your finger.
Yeah, quit doing. I am not a dementia. I'm looking at your finger. I'm looking at you. Remember when you said to me, "Kid, just stop doing."
Okay.
And I said,
All right, Angela. So you're not
That's
letting them treat.
terrible.
You're not letting them
Well,
treat you.
listen to her.
So you're going to
She's
leave at this
supposed to be
time.
dumb.
She was
That's
very polite with
wrong.
you.
No,
She was
she's-
professional, and you refused to let her treat you. So
Well,
we are going to
whatever.
leave right now.
I am not going to jail.
I didn't say you were going to jail, but we have to
I'm
leave.
not going in the cop car.
They're not
I
going to
need
treat
treat
you.
it.
Nope, she wanted to look at your thumb and you told her no.
She is going to jail because she's not listening. She's doing what she wants, and she's not leaving the hospital. So she's going to jail.
Angela, we're going to leave right now.
Because she won't.
We're going to
Because
leave
she
right
wanted
now.
to look at your finger.
But she won't look at my hair.
She was
This
going
is
to after she
terrible.
looked at your thumb, but you wouldn't let her. So we're going to leave now. Okay, Angela, I prefer
Yeah,
to
whatever.
not touch
Can
you
I
or put you
finish
in
getting my
handcuffs.
hair done?
You can do that outside.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Well, you're
That
going to
is
leave. You're going to
terrible.
leave
You
without
want
us
me
touching
go
you, or you're
outside
going to
and
leave in
pull snarls
handcuffs.
out of my hair? What kind of a heart do you have? Do you care about homeless people? Have you ever been? Or are you a rich boy? Let's not talk right now.
You're right. Let's
Let
leave.
me pull my hair this here.
'Kay.
Please?
No.
I have nowhere to comb it.
Nope. At this point, you're not a patient here, and you're going to leave.
I signed the form.
And then you refuse treatment. You have two options, and I want them to be very clear to
No,
you.
no matter.
You can leave right now, or you can leave in handcuffs. It's very
Suppose
easy.
you would throw that out there because you checked my record, didn't you?
I honestly did not.
Yeah.
Should
Go ahead and put her in handcuffs because she's not trying to do right.
I? Okay.
Be my guest.
Okay, I'll look later.
For OWIs.
Okay, we're gonna leave right now.
No, I have
Yep.
to get the. Give me
Yep.
scissors so I can get it out or something.
No, we're gonna leave.
I will cut it with a bandage scissors. You want me to walk around like this? Well, what does this look like to you? Probably a worm is.
Was it a black hair tie?
That's what medical's all about.
Are we gonna leave now?
They're afraid of it. No, I'm not having
Okay,
dealing with
we're going to
another
leave,
snake.
or you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Let's go.
Oh,
Let's go.
I didn't trespass.
They've asked you to
Look
leave.
at this.
They've asked you to leave.
Let's go.
Now it's trespassing.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my God.
We're leaving.
Okay.
We're
Let
leaving.
go. I want to.
right,
Can I
go.
wash my hands? I was just digging in my hair.
No, we're leaving.
Let's
I
go.
want to
We are
wash
leaving.
my hands.
We are leaving.
Don't do
We
that.
are
I wanna-
leaving.
Can I wash my
We are
hands?
leaving.
That's abusive.
Nope, it's not. We are leaving the hospital.
You gonna walk on your own?
Now you're hurting me.
I'm not hurting you.
Yes, you are. You're squeezing me very hard, and
I'm
you're
not.
forcing me from
Okay.
behind.
3,
Done to me before.
Walk.
2,
Walk.
1.
And you be
Let's go.
nice.
Walk.
Quit twisting my arm.
Stop.
Don't.
You are
You
gonna
will
go on
be
the
He
ground.
is being
You're gonna
violent.
go on the ground.
You will be
You're
arrested.
gonna go on the ground if you do
Knock it
not
off.
stop. You knock it
Then
off.
quit it.
No,
You're breaking my
I
arm.
am not.
He is.
You're under arrest. Get on the ground. Get your hand behind your back right now. You good?
Quit. That hurts. That is abuse. That is terrible. I ain't getting up like this.
Anything that will poke me or hurt me in any way.
No.
Okay, sit up.
Ow!
We're gonna fix them.
Quit pulling.
We're not pulling.
You are pulling. It's hurting my wrists.
Turn your hands so your palm is
Quit
facing out.
hurting me.
I'm not hurting you. Turn your.
It hurts my wrists.
What hurts?
This is too tight.
I can fit my finger
I
in
am
there.
not a pedophile either.
I did not say you were.
That hurts.
I could fit my whole finger down in there.
How small are your fingers?
Both
Whoa,
that
they're
size.
tiny.
Oh.
My finger's bigger.
Mine
You want
are
me to try?
bigger. Yours is better. I like
Okay.
your.
Yep, I can
Oh,
fit my
you
finger
have-
in there. Can you feel this? That's my finger in between your wrist and
Yeah, but that is too tight.
Okay, we're gonna stand up.
What?
All right, well, we're going to help you stand
No,
up,
I-
but I don't want to just lift
Well,
you
I
up.
can stand up.
Okay, go ahead.
Just like give me a, you know.
Yeah, we'll give you a
Yep,
boost.
there you go.
Yeah,
Do you have anything on you?
I never do.
Okay, we're going to walk outside. She'll go to the pet shelter.
No, she's not.
Yep, she will.
I want to talk to the other cop.
You can do that at the police department. We'll be back.
Could you do something with my hair, like pull it back? I could put a mask over the top of it, or
You want a
something. Just
mask
tie
on
it
your hair?
back. I just want it back.
Can we sort that
I
out at the
look like
police
a
department?
freak. I don't want to walk out like this.
No one's open.
There's cameras, ish.
We have masks at the police department.
Oh, cool.
We can get you one then.
Can you put it back?
Let's go. We're going outside.
With your glove.
All right.
Can I walk in the range
All right,
just a
Angela,
little
we're going to
bit?
have a seat right here for a second while he gets the larger squad so
Okay,
there's more
okay.
room for you.
What?
We're going to get a bigger back seat,
Okay, that's fine.
okay?
But no snakes.
No, there are no snakes in there, I
Are
promise.
you sure?
Yeah, I wouldn't drive it if there were snakes in it.
I know.
I don't like snakes
I'm
either.
not sure, but I don't know.
We're gonna have a
Because
seat
they're
in
gonna have to
here.
get my stuff.
We'll give you a boost if you need it.
Why don't you?
Can
It's
cuff me in the
easiest.
front or no?
Not right
Not
now.
right now. We'll do that at the police department. It's a short drive.
I don't have a belt with me.
Okay, yeah, it is short.
It's a short
Yeah,
drive, I
it's a
promise. Okay, I'll look for any bags.
Angela was charged with disorderly conduct and obstruction. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
So, ended that one real quick. Again, homelessness, mental illness, it's a real thing. We got to treat these people. We can't just push them aside. At least by getting arrested and going down to the police station, she might get a good shower and maybe somebody to look at her hand. But we got to do something better because the mentally ill, the population is growing. The homeless population is growing. And we can't just pacify them. They need help. All right. That's it for this one. We'll jump back in a little bit later and look at the other video.